Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I did this very colorful and bold look. Lately I've been craving color because I'm so used to doing the neutrals, the golds and stuff like that, so I went all out and I stepped out my comfort zone. So this is how the look turned out. It's absolutely gorgeous, so let's jump right in.
Hey guys, so taking the Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer and I'm just applying that to my lids and blending that out with my finger. Then I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and applying that to my lids. Now I'm just blending that out with a brush and I'm going in with my fingers to really push that product into place. Taking the Anastasia powder in Banana and just making sure that's well set into place. And I'm going in with my trusty dusty tape to help me to create a sharp line. Taking this eyeshadow from Nars and I'm just using it, it's like a pinky purple tone, into my crease to use as my transition color and just blending this all over. I'm really going in and spending time and blending this all over my lids. Taking this CoastalScents palette and using this pink, this bright pink, and I'm just going above the eyeshadow near my brow bone with it and just blending that into place. As you can see, I'm just using that pink and just blending it over the shade that I already put down. Now I'm going in with that purple and applying that to my outer V and bringing it into my inner corner, kind of slightly, not too much. With this purple, I absolutely love it. It was a dream to use. There was no patchiness at all to this purple, and purples are hard. Now I'm going back in with that same pink and just blend everything out to make sure there's no harsh lines and everything come together. Now I'm taking this MAC Flamboyant palette and take one of the light shade and just pat that onto my lid, because what I want to do is the next shade I'm going to put on, I just want it to pop. So I'm just blending everything together, as you can see. So I go in with that other shade and just pop it on top. Everything will be, all the products I use will be in the description box. Going back in with that Nars shadow and I'm just blending everything together. Going back in because the purple kind of fade away. Now I'm just adding back the purple shade. I'm not doing much. Taking this, the Becca highlight, and I'm just applying that to my brow bone, and now I'm just going in and just blending that all together with the same pink again, so there's no harsh line. Taking the Fenty Beauty hydrating primer and I'm just applying that all over my face. Taking the Makeup Forever smoothing primer and I'm just applying that to the areas that I have large pores. And now I'm going in with the Too Faced multi sculpt concealer and just applying that to my hyperpigment areas, and I'm going in and just blending that out with a brush, and then I'm using a sponge to really work that in. Taking the Hydrating foundation and the soft matte foundation from Fenty and just applying that all over my skin, because these two together, they are bomb.com. And as you can see, there's my son sitting right on my lap because he's not feeling well. Taking the Fenty and the Too Faced concealers and I'm going to mix those two together and just apply them to everywhere I want to highlight on my face where the light will naturally hit. And I'm just going to blend that out with my Beauty Blender sponge, and I'm leaving it under eye for last because I think when it marinates and you leave it, it just looks better and also it don't crease as much. And I'm just going in and just blending that out. Taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to set my under eye and everywhere that I highlighted on my face. This powder is my ride or die powder. Now I'm just going to brush off all this excess powder because I don't leave my bake on for too long. With having dry skin, it will dry out your skin and you could look very deadly like a mummy. Now I'm going in with Coco Naughty bronzer and I'm just applying that to everywhere that I want to add back the shadows to my skin and also warm up my skin. Taking Raizin blush from MAC and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. This has been one of my favorite blushes for a very long time, but I put it away because I thought I was using it too much. Now taking Becca highlighter in Opal and just applying that to my highlighting areas, so the tops of my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, you know, everywhere that you would like to highlight. And this highlighter is so gorgeous. Same thing with it, I put it down and now I've picked it back up. Now I'm just going in and taking that pink underneath my eye to smoke out my bottom lash line, and taking that purple as well. Whatever I did on the top, I want to kind of do on the bottom, not the exact same, just to kind of smoke it out. Taking the Inglot number 77 gel liner and I'm just applying that to my waterline. Now I'm going to go apply some lashes and look how gorgeous this look came out. I'm proud of myself. Taking that Morphe setting spray and I'm going to set everything into place. taking the MAC mascara and I'm just going to blend my falsies and my real lashes together, and also do my bottom lash line because I always forget. Taking Purple Rain lip liner by NYX. So this is a purple, kind of doing an ombre between the lip liner and my lipstick from Smashbox. I don't remember the name. Please check the description box for all the products that I use. I will have it listed down there, and it's just a pink. As you can see, it's kind of a fuchsia pink, and it just matches the eye in my opinion. So I did an ombre on the lips to kind of match the eye. I'm just going back in with that Purple Rain lip liner to just further ombre my lip. I cannot speak for anything today. And then I'm just taking another highlighter from Becca, and I'm just going over my highlighter because I thought it wasn't popping enough, and you know me, I like to be shining. So I'm just applying more highlighter. Now I'm going in with the Max Fix Plus Spray and just in my face.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoy this makeup tutorial of me doing some color on my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment in the comment section, subscribe because it's absolutely free, and turn on that notification bell so you're alerted every time I put up a video. As in the next one. Bye for now.